In this video tutorial, we will learn how to install MongoDB Community Edition on Windows system. So what we are going to do is we are going to download the MongoDB community server. Just search for this, download MongoDB, and you will be able to see the second link wherein, okay, let me try the first one, download MongoDB community server, MongoDB. So you can see three tabs: cloud, on-premises, and tool. Just click on on-premises and you will be able to see MongoDB community server, and we have to download this. So on the right hand side, you can see available downloads. So versions are available. The current version is 4.4. And if you are looking for some other version, you can drop down and select that. The platform is window, and we are going to download just download this, and you will be able to download it within a couple of minutes. It's a very small downloaded thing. And now I have already downloaded it, MongoDB 4.4. So I'm just going to install it using that. So this is the first screen which comes up. So just say next and accept the license agreement. Next, we'll go with the complete installation. From MongoDB 4.2, MongoDB can be installed as a service, so you don't need to start the Mongo daemon as a separate stuff. It will be started and managed by Windows services, and this is a good thing. Since this is MongoDB 4.4, it can be run as a Windows service. So just check the first one, which is the default one. It will be stored in this particular location, data directory, and this is the log directory. We are not going to change this. Just say next. And if you wanted to install the GUI version of the administration tool, which is MongoDB Compass, you can check this, but this will increase the installation time. So I will uncheck this and will say next and install. This is not going to take more than a minute or so. Yep. So community supported the platform are Windows 2019, 2016, 2012 release 2 and normal version, and 2008 release 2. Uh, MongoDB can be installed only on 64-bit operating system, so you have to make sure that you consider that as well. So, and from Windows 4.2, MongoDB 4.2 onwards, this can be used as the service. Just say finish, and this is installed. Now what we have to do is we will go to the location where MongoDB has been installed. Just go to C drive, program files, and then MongoDB, then server 4.4 and bin. There's the location. So what we will do is just copy this location, go to command prompt, and cd to this location, and we will say Mongo. You can see that uh, command has uh, worked now. So we will say show DBS. So this is MongoDB shell. So these are the three databases which are installed by default. And if I wanted to create a new database, I will just say use MyDB, and it will switch to that DB. And if I say DB, you can see that I'm connected to that particular database. If you type help command on the Windows MongoDB shell, this will be available, and you can use any of these. Just exit out of this, and what we will do now is we will go to this PC properties, and we will add this location of the binary to the environment variable, so that every time we execute Mongo, it should take us to the Mongo shell. So what we will do is we will search for the path, and we will add the location of, I think it's already added, when I did it in the previous installation. So what happens if I simply say this should work? Mongo. So you can see that Mongo is the shell for the MongoDB, and it is working fine. So there are some messages also on the screen which says it is working, and it is MongoDB server version 4.4, and you can use the command accordingly. So this was just how to install MongoDB Community Edition on the Windows. So this is 64-bit and it is applicable only for 64-bit. I hope this is going to help, and thanks for watching.